Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the power steering pump on 2004 Honda Pilots. Okay, let's get it started guys. So first of all we need to remove the engine cover. This car, the cover missing like so many bolts. So it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. These are 4 bolts. It's number 10mm. To remove it, see the pump right now. Just remove the top, remove the high pressure line for the power steering high pressure line. It's number 10mm. 2 bolts, just remove it. Just put something cover. We don't want any fluid spill everywhere. Okay, so got it in here. So next, very simple. We're gonna see the clamp in here. Just let me find a good spot to put the camera. Okay, see, I see the clamp. Get out the clamp. And pull the clamp. But make sure you use something cover on the bottom. We don't want any fluid spill out everywhere. See, it's out now. So put the hose to the side. This one is just. And next we see the adjuster in here. It's number 12mm. We're gonna crack loose it, okay? Crack loose the bolt on the side here is number 12mm. One, just crack loose it, and the one on the bottom. It's 2 bolts for the power steering pump. After you crack loose it, put something to cover. We don't want to put spill everywhere. Just crack loose 2 bolts. Then I'm gonna use a W40 to spray on adjuster bolt a little bit. This one a power steering belt adjuster, so you can adjust it to spin it to the left side. Okay, it's good to go. The belt is out. So next, just remove it. Remove the 12mm bolt for the power steering pump on the top one. Then we go to the bottom one. Okay, so one's out, and the other one. Let me find a good spot for this one. We don't need to remove the engine mount or so, okay. If you remove the engine mount out, or engine mount brackets out, it takes too much time. So I'm doing right now, I'm doing a shortcut. I don't want to remove anything. Let's see, I hope it works. Come on. The fluid spill out again. Damn. I don't want fluid spill out on the dry belt. Let me put like that. Do like that. That way is much easier. Just put the racks under here and plug this bone here. See the bolt on the bottom one. It's already out. It's the pumps out right now, guys. So when you get the old pumps out, the new pump, okay, that I bought it doesn't have the pulley, so we need to reuse the pulleys. This one is a pump. It's a brand new pump that I got it from an international auto part. I don't do the rebuild one, I use the brand new one. So the brand new one, it doesn't come up with the pulley, so we need to use the old pulley. It's a brand new, completely new. So let me take out the pump. This one we use number 19. Let me increase up a bit. It's number 19 millimeter. Okay. It's 19 millimeter. So right now just pull just it and reinstall the pulley. We need the old pulley back. Reinstall it. It's good now. So okay, it's time to reinstall it. Alright. Just 12 millimeter it right now. It's a nut, and let me install the bolt here. So the bolt is a 12 millimeter either. And next I'm going to install the power steering pump belt. Let me clean up the power steering pump a little bit. So now it's time to adjust it. Pause the adjuster in here. We just spin it to the right side. It means like adjust up. Not too, just more, not yet. And to tie the lower nut a little bit because it's way too far. This one stretched up. Check the current pulley a little bit, make sure the belt sit on the place. Alright, so let me keep adjust it. A little bit more should be good. Okay, perfect for me. And start to tie it. This one you can torque it to 16 foot-pound, okay, but I'm not going to torque it. Just ties it. Okay, perfect for me. So next we going to install the high pressure hose. This number 10mm, 2 bolts. Install it. It's almost done, guys. This job is a very quick job. Boom, boom, and open the cabin here, and after we remove the plug, just put a hose, steering hose back in. Very simple, guys, plug and play. So just put it clamp in here back in. And let me see the fluid. Okay, so let me start the engine up and let's see what's going on next. Alright guys, so let's see. I'm going to start the engine right now. Good. Good to go right now. So the next is all set to go, you know, like just fill up the fluid and should be good to go. Let me shut off the engine. Okay guys, one is all set right now is how to replace the power steering pump, okay, on a 04 Honda Pilot. Okay, if you guys have any question, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope my video will help you out some, you know. Thank you. Yeah, goodbye.